Hello, Alert Program friends, fans, and colleagues. Here at the Alert Program, we are always cooking up something good for you. And the great thing about the Alert Program approach is that it's not just a recipe that's precise and a single step that you must follow. No, not an exact recipe, but through our books, songs, games, and our courses, we provide all the ingredients that you need to successfully support self-regulation at any age. Now, what's unique about the Alert Program is we don't give you the recipe, we teach you to cook. Whip it up, baby. And what we're teaching you to cook is the best combination of self-regulation strategies for you. For instance, we teach you how to help children and adults know what high, low, and just right alert levels look like. And then we teach you how to choose which sensory strategies work for you in the 5 ways to change how alert you feel, which are mouth, move, touch, look, and listen. Now, as we've emphasized in this video, it is not an exact recipe, but you will have the guidelines that help you bake up what is just right for your children, your students, or your adult clients, or even very own you yourself. So, we teach you feel confident by using a pinch of this and a dash of that so that you can find your just right blend for the setting and the age of clients or loved ones that you're thinking about. Now, here's a little smidgen and taste. In the mouth strategy, you might have your lovely sippy cup, or you might have my personal favorite, our Alert Program string pipes. Oh yeah, baby. Now, in the move category, you may have your lovely heavy work exercises, or of course your dancing to the beat as you're cooking in the kitchen. Put that in. All right, in the touch category, we're having a pinch of touch strategies. You might have some lovely chenille stems to play with and bend and make lovely things, or a lovely squeezy, like our little program star there. Now, in the look category, you may do something just like this on your desk where you get to watch the slime move. And for me, this slime is just too slow, so I'm going to go back to the look strategy of my string pipe. Beautiful. Alrighty, and then in the listen category, you may have just regular old earbuds to move and groove to your favorite tunes. We'll definitely put those in there. And for probably a little bit more subtle and sweet self-regulation strategy in the listen category, the lovely hallmark of the Southwest, a rain stick. All right, you put it in, you blend according to what works for you. So in the Alert Program online course and through the materials that we have on our website, we'll show you how to customize your self-regulation recipe. And it may change as you change, and that's the beauty of it. So here in Albuquerque, we often have to adjust for high altitude baking, and we take that into consideration when we're talking about your Alert Program strategies. And we teach you how to adjust your sensory diet or in your classroom or your home so that you'll have flexibility in your self-regulation strategies. You'll even learn sensory supports that you can use to help make your day go more smoothly. Now, here at the Alert Program, we want to help you take the cake when it comes to self-regulation. So let's get in and mix it up so that you can find your best self-regulation ingredients.